Email from Charles in Houston, Texas. He asked, what are some scenarios in which a person could use the new Indiana law to defend himself against a lawsuit? In other words, how does the new law protect people in their exercise of their religion?
Well, before the Indiana law was revised, before the clarification that the legislature passed and the governor signed, it explicitly allowed individuals and for-profit companies to refuse to provide services that violated their religious beliefs. Now there is an explicit clause that says this doesn't allow you to discriminate against gay people. So the protection that existed in the earlier law and that had played a big part in the controversy over it has now been clarified.
And one thing worth noting, and one of the reasons, aside from the context of gay rights that in which all this is playing out, one of the reasons the Indiana law aroused a lot more controversy than other laws that states have passed, or the federal law that was passed in the 1990s that tried to do the same thing, was that it explicitly said corporations and businesses could also use this law to protect themselves from having to do things that they thought were morally objectionable. Not just people, but businesses and corporations. And so that made the grounds that Susan is talking about here seem more plausible.